So to start off, we're going to grab a baking pan. We're going to line it with some tin foil, and we're going to preheat our oven to 430 degrees and put this aside. Then, choosing your favorite fish, you want to add a little salt and pepper and remove any skin if the fillets come with it. Next, in a separate shallow bowl, we're going to grab our flour and put that aside. In another shallow bowl, we're going to grab 2 large eggs and about 2 tablespoons of mayo. And we're going to beat that together until it's combined and it forms a nice creamy mixture. Next, we're going to combine our breading mixture. So that includes plain breadcrumbs, cornmeal, all-purpose seasoning, dried thyme, paprika, baking powder, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then we line up our station, grab our fish, and get started. We're going to coat the fish first in the flour. Then we're going to dip it into the egg mixture, making sure it's completely covered. And then we'll go in with our breadcrumb mixture and make sure that it's nicely packed so that when we bake it, it's fairly crispy. Then you want to set that aside in a separate container until all the pieces are done. Then, grabbing your lined baking pan, you want to grab some spraying oil and coat that. Or if you have butter, you want to heat up the pan and then let it melt all over the pan. Make sure it's completely covered, and then add your fish. And you're going to bake that for 10 minutes. And then you're going to flip it. Make sure that you recoat your pan with butter or oil and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can serve it with some lemon wedges and tartar sauce and pair it with your favorite side. Hungry for more recipes with fish? Then check out these videos above. Or head over to my channel for more great recipes. Until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.